Good morning all, and welcome to the live room summary on Tuesday, March the 24th. It's been a good day and I'm a very happy man today, which is good. Really impressed with some of your trades today. You're putting the triggers well, you're understanding the market well, you're reading the market, you're reading these charts absolutely to perfection, guys, so well done. I do understand that for some guys who just joined, it does take a little bit of time, but you know, Tom's been with us, Todd I should say, been with us for 3.5 weeks, made 220 pips yesterday alone. Still says he's unsure, hasn't got a clue, but if you make 220 pips and you're still unsure, it can't be that bad, can it? So, let's have a little look at today. We zoned in on dollar yen, euro dollar. Why didn't we zone in on sterling? Because it's bid. Most of you, I say most of you, a little bit disappointed that not enough of you are long of cable and sterling yen. As you know, sterling yen was an absolute corker of a trade. And if I just bring that up here, if my monkey school students aren't long of this, I'm going to be deeply, deeply upset. But there was the breakout. There's my support line. It's going up, guys. We've spoken about this for weeks and weeks. There's my target, 2,500 points higher, guys. Yeah, from 88, that's nearly up 700 pips already. 700 pips into my 2,000 pip trade. Guys, there's a lot of pips. It's a lot of cash to look for. This is what we should be targeting. Okay, it's a little bit extra into the live room, I understand that. But guys, do not turn a blind eye to some of these longer term trades. I will be chucking a cherry in there for a few of you guys. It's up to you if you want to take it. And I'm not going to get upset if you don't take it, but I'm trying to help as much as possible to really get involved with this longer term stuff. Okay, because I understand that some of you guys aren't members of this. But remember, for everyone else, if I drop this down to the hourly chart, look at this. I said to the guys, don't jump in at 142, wait for a pullback, then get in. Guess what happened? 142, slight pullback. Where's the support? Hourly 20. Look at that. It sat there for 5 hours. Bam. Doesn't get better than that, guys. It is attention to detail. I understand people are busy. But you got 6 charts. Dollar yen, sterling yen. Pound dollar, euro sterling. 6 charts. Euro, sterling, and yen. Yeah? Euro, sterling, yen. 3 currencies. 3 markets, in a sense, but we're looking at 6 charts here. Get a feel of what's going on. We've all been saying for the last 4 or 5 weeks, sterling is finding support. Let's start building. Okay, so overall good. But today, let's look at the live room summary. Dollar yen, jammy, quite a few of you guys. Dollar yen short. Was it a risky trade? Yeah, there was risk involved. Absolutely. But where did we get the trade from? 4-hour chart. Some might have thought, Danny, you might be going crazy here. Is it the right trade? Look at this. But 4-hour resistance has already come from 93. Up to where? 98, 98.50. Some guys got 98.55. Stop loss 65.70. Guys, it doesn't get much better than that. You know, okay, it hasn't really moved a lot. I understand. It's messed around this 98.50. But you know what? 50 pips is 50 pips. But, you know, you're patient with these kind of trades and they go, you know. It might not work out, but you've all decided, I'm going to go in, I'm going to hold my stop loss, potentially, as I said, pull back to this line, and then we can look for a 1, 2, 3. Great trade, potentially. You know, you should be up 30, 40 pips now. Let's see what happens, you know. So that's a dollar yen. Nice trade so far. So let's look at euro yen. Again, I went to a shorter term chart on this. 70 level. Resistance where? 3 points of contact, resistance line. Stop loss around the 95. We made it very clear at that 70, you can have a stop loss about 25 to 30 pips. Guys took it, there's the pullback, there's the trade. Will it go further? Yes, potentially it will. I'm just not interested. London session was about making those pips from 70 down to here. Potential 50, 60 pips on that. Great trade? Yeah. Pull back towards this 60-minute 20. Can we see it on the 15-minute chart? Let's have a look. Couldn't go long of it. It was just a pullback towards. Look how it found support off our 15-minute 50. Again, look at this template, guys. It works an absolute peach and a half, yeah? I keep on talking about food. I get hungry all the time. Not good. Anyway, we're below the resistance level. Why can't, as I said, you bank 50%? You either bank out all of it, be content. 70 pips a day, guys. 5 days a week. It's a lot of pippage. Let's watch this to see whether it falls. Is it going to break through this, or is it going to double bottom and then break out on the upside? Well, that's a different ballgame. But most of you should be in this 50%. I like euro lower. I like euro sterling a lot lower. Euro dollar's just broken back down again. And then we zoned in on euro dollar, guys. Here we go. Now, most of you guys did take this. This was the break of the triangle, couldn't resist. Remember, if I zoom out, you know we're ahead. We've got that triple top up here. Tried it for the 4th time, couldn't get up there. But then we thought, well, we're not going to get the cherry on the cake and go short up here. What about if it breaks back down through here? And there it was. There's the pullback. There's the break. Guess what? We went to the 5-minute chart. Made it very clear that 5-minute chart. There we go. There's a little pullback. There's the trigger. There was the entry point. I've got the actual level there at 40. Stop loss. Remember the line I had up here at 65. 25 pip play, guys. For how many? 70, 80 pips, yeah? Great trade. Great trade. A lot of you guys said you love my new setup. 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute. Guys, it does work. I don't just send out these videos for the fun of it. It does work. So keep an eye on that. Trying to help you guys as much as possible. Okay, guys, really feeling the confidence. We've made some changes in the room. We're a lot more focused. We're a lot more zoned in, and our concentration levels seem a lot higher, which is great. Okay, it's our job to obviously bring up the low risk, high probability trades. We did that, I think, very well today with euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen. Limited risk. You decided to take them. Some of you guys taking all 3. Again, potentially 170 pips. Obviously, more than that now since the live room. But just join the live room session, guys. 170 pips just on this. We could have taken cable. We could have taken cable on the bounce off the 60-minute 20. We could have had all this fun. Yeah? Cable just bounced 100 points. I mean, just have a look at cable now. You know, is it a hard trade? Of what? We didn't even think about taking this pullback, but look how it just found support. You could have gone along at 40. Up to there, another 100 points you could have made. That's 270 points, guys. I know it's out of live room hours, but I'm just showing you what you could have done. But as it goes, live room session, 170 pips on the card. I had a lot of private messages today. People picking up about 80 to 120. So overall, I believe a very good session indeed. Keep an eye on this euro sterling. I'm sure people are liking this. There's the resistance level down through here. It's just lower highs all the way, guys. It's watch this golden cross. You've got to wait for the next pullback. It's on the blog. You know my thoughts. This could go down to 80 or 75. I told you that not that long ago. Okay. So, guys, there's some good potentials, some good potential opportunities. I said these big breakouts were going to happen at some stage with sterling getting very close. What did I say? February was tough. But guess what? The guys who are still with us, these are the guys who are the core team is together, guys, and we're making some serious pippage. February was tough, but March is now going to go down as being an absolute fabulous month, which is great to see. Thousands and thousands of pips available, guys. You guys are now reaping the rewards for having a tough January and February. So well done to those guys. It's onwards and upwards, as they say. The changes are here to stay, guys, in the room. This concentration is good. We zone in on the 6 currency pairs. We will bring the 2 or 3 currencies to you each morning with the right levels, the right breakout levels to trade. Tell you where your stop loss is in, and then we hammer and get into these trades, guys. Okay, so well done today. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm off to have my lovely wife off to have a scan this afternoon, but I will see you guys. I won't be in the US session this afternoon. Zach will be running that like a professional, and I will see you guys bright and early. Do try and get in there about 6:15 if you can for tomorrow's session. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.